Today we came up with an idea to measure current in a socket and to see how many amperes we will get. A shunt is connected to the amperemeter. It's visible here. Do you think we will get less than 50 amperes? I think so. Let's short-circuit it. It's going off scale. Plug it off. It's smoking. The shunt enables it to measure 20 times more intensive current flow. That's why we need to multiply it by 20 when reading the scale. Multiply 5 by 20 and you will get 100 amperes. So you can measure up to 100 amperes. Let's get started. You have to hold not the steel case, but the plastic frame of the device. It's also better to stand on a vinyl floor and to wear shoes when such a device is in your hand. I'm joking. Let's check the scale. You will never see something like this. The power supply will be cut off. Connected. Don't look away. It's going off the scale. Look, it's almost welded. We connected the shunt in order to enable the device to measure up to 100 amperes current flow, but it's not enough for us, so we connected one more shunt in order to enable the device measure up to 200 amperes current flow. Now we are going to measure current just the way we did previously. Attention, watch please. 3.5 amperes. You need to multiply it by the needed coefficient. What are your impressions after seeing all of this? Let's do it one more time. I'm even afraid of touching it. Don't touch it.